Hi, have you ever wondered how you can view hashtag counts in Pinterest? Or have you ever wondered which search terms are the most relevant in Pinterest? Well, this brief tutorial will show you how to quickly get hashtag and SEO counts in the Pinterest search engine. This will aid you greatly in your SEO and branding strategies. Hi, in today's tutorial we're going to show you how you can leverage the Pinterest hashtag functionality to actually get hashtag counts and SEO analytics information to help you in configuring your Pinterest boards with the best SEO configuration to allow your pins to be found. So this is fairly easy to do, and it's a quick tutorial. I'm going to pick this picture here, which is a picture of Snow White. It's a vintage cookie jar. But the idea being is the prerequisite that you do have to have, and we have other videos that show this, is you have to have the Pinterest Save It Now extension installed in Chrome. And as long as that is installed, it gives you access to the Pinterest visual search, but it also gives you access to save a pin onto your website. And as I talk about in other tutorials, it's very important to get the analytic SEO information in here as descriptive as possible and align it with the other terminology within your page. But how you actually use the new hashtag functionality within Pinterest is within this window. If you actually then go to hashtags, and in this case, let's say I wanted to look up Pinterest, you can actually see that Pinterest was searched there's 32,000 pins out there. You can actually see that another fairly popular one is Pinterest marketing and so forth. I can also check other types of terms, like I could check Snow White, and you can see Snow White was a term that was searched for quite a bit. I could check Disney. See, Disney was searched for quite often. So that is a new functionality that is now available in Pinterest. Pinterest for a long time hadn't specifically declared that they recognized the hashtag. They now do. These pin counts are actually very, very helpful when you're setting up the analytics within your page boards and your descriptions within your pins. So make sure you're leveraging this. It's a newer feature. A lot of people don't realize it's there, but it can be very powerful, especially if you're trying to get like the Pinterest marketing framework up and running and getting a large number of monthly impressions and so forth. So that's the tutorial itself. If there's any questions, leave them in the comments section below, and thank you for watching our video. If you found this video helpful, I ask that you like and subscribe below. This is Duncan Gillis from Maritime Vintage saying good night, stay safe, and watch out for those Cape Breton mountain chickens. I can only dream of a project that